Okay, hello. You're on to Mamu with Jarvis, and very quickly I'll be doing what is called two-digit addition with carries. The word carries is just a way to tell you that you need to move the SS from one digit to the next. So let's start. 6 plus 7, there's a trick here. You just make 6 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's assume that this is for a child in maybe primary 1 or primary 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't forget to put your plus sign here, telling us that it's addition. And you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, 13 would mean that I'll also write 13 here, but this place can't take 13 because it's called unit. So I'll put 3 here, and then I'll take the extra, the 10 will actually be moved here. So that 10 is equivalent to 110. So I'll put a 10 there, I'll put a unit there. So I'll take 1 here. Now look at this, I have 5 here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 2 here, 1, 2. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus the one I have brought from the left hand side. And this will give me what? 8. So how does that go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer becomes what? 83. Try that on your own.